If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture on advanced level where we are solving previous year IIT JEE questions on circles. So today we will be solving question number 1A, 1B, two questions. Okay, then let's try to solve this question. If you see question number 1, what they are asking here, if two distinct chords drawn from the point PQ on the circle, this is the circle, where PX is not Q, are bisected by the x-axis. So you drawn two distinct chords, two different chords there has to be from the point this on the circle this, and it should be bisected by the x-axis. Then what is the condition? So if you read this type of question, you just try to draw where you should figure lies and how it will look like. So if you draw it, the drawing I am showing here separately, then you can move to this. So this is your equation, x square plus y square minus px minus qy is equal to 0. So what it is center? Center is p by 2 comma q by 2, because your g is minus v by 2, 0. And one thing you notice, if you see this circle, there is no constant term. No constant term means, what was the meaning? I told you, if there is no constant term, for not for circle, any curve, if there is no constant term, that means it must pass through origin. That's why no constant term. If you put 0 0, it is satisfied. So if there is no constant term, it has to go to 0 0. So it is going to 0 0. I am considering all are in first quadrant positive. First let me start to draw it, and its center is p by 2 q by 2. Okay, if p by 2 q by 2, this is the center and it has to touch it. So obviously this will be my radius. So this circle will be of this fashion. Suppose if I can draw this circle. Okay, this is my circle. Now you can see, if this is p by 2 q by 2 and this is 0 0, so obviously this point is pq. So the point they are saying, that is on the circle itself. They have not mentioned it. They are saying from the drawn from the point. So PQ is on the circle itself. So from the circle, if you draw, you have to draw two distinct chords, two different chords. That has to be bisected at this point. So this and this has to be equal. So what should be our approach? Because we know PQ is there, and if it has to be bisected here, so this coordinate will be something of alpha comma 0, because it is at x-axis. Because it is bisected, now you can find this point. So if you find this point is on the circle. So if you put it on the circle, it should satisfy. From that you will find a equation for alpha. So you see whether you get any alpha or not. Because you need to have two alpha, because two lines has to, they are saying two distinct chord has to be there. If you get only one alpha, that means only one chord is drawing of one chord is possible, which will be bisected. If it has to be possible for two chords, then alpha has to give two values. So you can say this and this. So that is the approach we will start with. So if you see a circle, you draw it and try to because they will not mention everything. So if you see the circle and you have to incorporate what is there. No constant passing through origin. Center is here. So that means, because they are asking PQ also, so you can see from here drawing, okay, that means PQ is here itself. From there, okay, let me draw, and it has to bisect. Okay, this coordinate is this much. Okay, then what can I do? Because it has to bisect, I can find this point. I put it on the circle, it should satisfy. Okay, so the same approach here. So the center is this one. So obviously PQ will be lying on the circle. So in the opposite diameter, why it is so? Because it is diametrically opposite. These are the two chords which are touching at T and T dash. Let the first one is touching at T alpha comma 0, because it is the midpoint. So you can calculate using midpoint formula. Suppose this is x and y. So how to calculate? X plus p by 2 is equal to alpha. So your x coordinate is this much. Y plus q by alpha is equal to 0. So y coordinate is this much. So this coordinate is, because it is the midpoint, so using midpoint formula we found this. Because this is on the circle, so if you put it on the circle, it should satisfy. In place of x, you can see in place of x and y, I am putting this one, 2 alpha minus p and minus q. So if you put it there, you will find the equation for alpha. You have to make an equation, because alpha is unknown here. So you make an equation for quadratic equation for alpha, because you need two distinct roots. So your alpha will be two distinct roots if your d is greater than 0. So if you put it d is greater than 0, here b is minus 6p, 4 into a is a, 4, c is this one. So if you do a little bit here and there, then you will find p square is greater than 8 square. That is your option D. So once you need to draw. If you draw it, then you will get some idea how to do it. Now if you come to question number 1b, let L1 be a straight line through origin, means it is passing through origin. So passing through origin means equation will be y equal to mx of this form. And L2 be a straight line, another line is given to you. So the equation of suppose L2 is given to you. If the intercept made by the circle on this line, So the circle is making intercept, means this intercept, that is nothing but chords. Once a line is given and the circle is making intercept, means this position they are asking. This is intercept made by the circle on the line, which is nothing but, you can see I told you this was x intercept, y intercept, x intercept is this, y intercept is this in basic level. So that is the intercept. They are equal. So the intercept means chords are equal. Then which of the following can represent equation L1? L1 what can be out of this? Okay. So it should be y equal to mx, that is passing through origin. All option is equal to y equal to mx. You can see no constant term because it is passing through origin. Okay. Now one thing, because they are of equal length, so what do you know? Once you know chords are of equal length, so what theorem that comes in your mind? If it is equal length, then it has to be at equal distance from the origin. That's what you have studied in class 10. So if two equal chords are at equal distance from the origin, so this distance has to be same. So the origin you can know from the equation of the circle. So you take this one, you take L1 equal to y equal to mx because it is passing through slope. So you calculate distance from this to this line, you calculate from this to this line, both should be equal. This one you know, this one you don't know. From that you will find m. So that is idea, simple. So you find the center. L1 is given to you, L2 is given to you, L1 I have considered y equal to mx or mx minus y equal to 0, whatever. So the distance from L1, what is the distance from L1? Sorry, this is L2 and distance this is for L1 because L1 is unknown. So L2, how to find distance from a point to line? Ax1 plus by1 minus plus c divided by under root a square plus b square. A is 1, b is 1, xy coefficient. So 1 square plus 1 square, that is your root 2. And here same, from this point a x1 plus b y1 plus c is not there, divided by a square plus b square, that is minus 1 square and m square. So this has to be equal. So this, because both side mod is there, you can remove this mod, because both side mods means both are indicating positive values. So both are positive values means you can remove, you can take square both side, then it can remove, because it is also plus minus, it is also plus minus. If you remove it and then take square, so it will be gone. Okay. So if it is square, then if you will find the equation of m, then you will solve it, you will find the equation of this m, quadratic equation, solve it, you will find. So once you know 2m, then means you will have two equations, y equal to mx, y equal to mx. So it was multiple correct option type questions, that is option B and C both are correct. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.